Welcome to a quick guide on how to follow a channel on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you're looking to stay in the loop with curated channels right from your computer, this is the walkthrough you need. First, open WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're logged in by scanning the QR code with your phone so your chats sync smoothly to your browser. Once you're in, you'll notice the familiar chat list on the left side and your recent conversations in front of you. From the left sidebar, look for the New Channels option. It's designed to help you discover and subscribe to channels without leaving WhatsApp Web. Click on Channels to open the dedicated channel pane. Here you'll see a collection of channels that WhatsApp or your contacts have recommended, as well as any channels you've previously interacted with. Now, browse or search for the channel you want to follow. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you're looking for something specific. As you hover over or select a channel, you'll get a quick preview of its content, including the type of post, frequency, and any rules or guidelines the channel may have. Once you find the channel that matches your interests, click on it to view more details. You'll be able to read a short description, check the posting schedule, and gauge whether it aligns with what you're after. When you're ready to join, simply click on follow. The action is immediate and you'll start receiving updates from that channel in your WhatsApp web feed. After you follow a channel, you'll see its updates appear in your main chat list alongside your regular conversations. You can mute or customize notification preferences for the channel if you want to manage alerts on a busy day. If you ever decide the channel isn't a fit, you can unfollow it just as easily, removing its posts from your feed while keeping your other chats intact. That's all there is to it. With this new update, following channels on WhatsApp Web on your PC is streamlined and effortless, letting you stay connected to the content you care about without picking up your phone.